Hello guys, you are watching Guide to English. We have started our series of learning English using grammar. We have lot of lesson related to English grammar by using this book English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. So in the last lecture we discussed about the past continuous tense. For today we have present perfect tense. I have done. Let's just through it quickly and try to understand what does it mean and how we can use this tense. Tom cannot find his key. He's lost his key. He has lost his key. He lost it and he doesn't have it now. Have lost, has lost. It's is the present perfect simple. So we have to use have with third form of the verb. I have, they have, we have, you have, he, she, it will be with the has. He has done, he has done, he has finished, he has lost, he has done, he has been. The present perfect simple is have has plus past participle. The past participle often ends in ed, finished, decided, but many verbs are irregular, lost, done, written. When we say something has happened, this is usually new information. Oh, I have cut my finger. The road is closed. There has been an accident. Police have arrested two men in connection with the robbery. When we use the present perfect, there is a connection with now. The action in the past has a result now. Tom has lost his key. He told his name, but I have forgotten it. Sally is still here. She hasn't gone out. I cannot find my bag. Have you seen it? Compare gone to and been to. James is on holiday. He has gone to Italy. Amy is back home now. He has been to Italy. You can use present perfect with just, already, and yet. Just a short time ago. Are you hungry? No, I have just had lunch. Hello, have you just arrived? Already, sooner than expected. Don't forget to pay the bill. I have already paid it. What time is Mark leaving? He has already left. Yet, until now, we use yet to show that we are expecting something to happen. We use yet in question and negative sentences. Has it stopped raining yet? I have written the mail, but I haven't sent it yet. So we can also use with these three words just, already, and yet. You can also use the past simple did, went, had in the example on this page. So you can say Ben isn't there, he has gone out, he went out. Are you angry? No, I have just had lunch, or I just had lunch. You can use both. Now we have some exercises here. We will cover these exercises related to the present perfect tense. Read the situation and complete the sentences using the present perfect. Choose from these verbs: break, disappear, go up, grow, improve, lose, shrink, stop. Tom, so the first example they are already done. Tom is looking for his key. He cannot find it. Tom has lost his key. Now we will use the second. Maria's English wasn't Very good. Now it's better. Her English has improved. My bag was here, but it isn't here anymore. My bag has lost. Lisa cannot walk and her leg is in the plaster. You can say Lisa has broken her leg. Last week the bus fare was pound 1.80. Now it is 1 2. The bus fare has gone up. Dan did not have a beard before, but now he has beard. Dan Dan has grown grown beard. It was raining 10 minutes ago. It isn't raining now. It has stopped. I washed my sweater and now it's too small for me. My sweater has shrinked. So then the third one we can also use like my bag was here, but it isn't here anymore. The bag has disappeared. Put in been or gone. My parents are on holiday. They have gone to Italy. Hello, just I have just been to the shops. I have bought a lot of things. Tom has just gone out. He will be back in about an hour. Alice isn't here at the moment, but I don't know where she has gone. You are very late. Where have you been? So we can use this. Similarly, we have the other exercises. Can you guys can do it on your own. This is present perfect 1 and now we have present perfect 2. Then have you traveled a lot, Jane? Jane, yes, I have been to a lot of places. Really? Have you ever been to China? Yes, I have been to China twice. What about India? No, I haven't been to India. When we talk a period of time that continues from the past until now, we use the present perfect have been, have traveled. Here, Dave and Jane are talking about the place Jane has visited in her life, which is a period that continues until now. Have you ever eaten caviar? We have never had a car. So we can also use present perfect in this way. In the following example, to the speaker are talking about a period that continues till now. Have you heard anything from Ben recently? I have met a lot of people in the last few days. Everything is going on well. There haven't been any problems so far. This means like from past till now. We can also use this present perfect. Here in the graph you can say, you can see it. See, we say it is the first time something has happened. For example, Don is having a driving license lesson. It's his first lesson. We can say it's the first time he has driven a car. He hasn't driven a car before. He has never driven a car before. This is the first time I have driven a car. In the same way, Sarah has lost her passport. This is the second time this has happened, and he is phoning his girlfriend again. It's the third time he has phoned her this evening. So it's the first time that something has happened. We can also use this present perfects. I guess that's all for today's lesson. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. And do let me know if you need any help from my side. If you need this book, I can simply send you in the link. Please keep following Guide to English. I will catch you guys later. Take care. Bye bye.